Have you ever found yourself in a foreign land, wallet in hand, wondering, does SoFi exchange currency? It's a question that's crossed the minds of many travelers, especially those who rely on digital banking for their financial needs. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of SoFi and currency exchange to find out if this popular financial platform can help you with your international adventures. SoFi, known for its innovative approach to personal finance, has gained a significant following for its various products and services, including savings accounts, investing, and student loan refinancing. But can it also cater to your currency exchange needs? Let's explore. Before we delve into the specifics of currency exchange, let's quickly recap SoFi's core offerings. As a financial technology company, SoFi primarily focuses on providing savings accounts, high-interest savings accounts with competitive rates. Investing, a platform for investing in stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Student loan refinancing, helping borrowers consolidate and potentially lower their student loan interest rates. The currency exchange question. Now, the big question, does SoFi offer currency exchange services? Unfortunately, as of current date, SoFi does not directly provide currency exchange features. This means you won't find a built-in option on their platform to convert currencies. Why doesn't SoFi offer currency exchange? There could be several reasons why SoFi hasn't ventured into the currency exchange market. Focus on core services. SoFi might be prioritizing its existing products and services, ensuring they are top-notch before expanding into new areas. Regulatory challenges. The currency exchange market can be subject to various regulations and compliance requirements, which might make it less appealing for SoFi to enter. Partnerships or integrations. It's possible that SoFi is considering partnering with other financial institutions or fintech companies that specialize in currency exchange to provide this service indirectly. While SoFi doesn't offer direct currency exchange, you have several other options to consider. Traditional banks. Many banks provide currency exchange services either in-branch or through online platforms. Currency exchange bureaus. These specialized businesses offer competitive rates for currency exchange. Travel cards. Prepaid travel cards can be loaded with multiple currencies, making it convenient for international travel. Mobile payment apps. Some mobile payment apps, like PayPal or Revolut, allow you to hold and convert multiple currencies. Factors to consider when choosing a currency exchange option. When selecting a currency exchange method, consider the following factors. Exchange rates. Compare rates offered by different providers to find the best deal. Fees. Be aware of any fees associated with currency exchange, such as transaction fees or conversion fees. Convenience. Choose a method that suits your travel style and preferences. Security. Ensure that the provider you choose has robust security measures to protect your funds. While SoFi doesn't currently offer direct currency exchange services, there are plenty of other options available to meet your needs. Whether you prefer traditional banks, currency exchange bureaus, travel cards, or mobile payment apps, you can find a suitable solution for your international travels. If you have any specific questions about currency exchange or need recommendations, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more financial tips and advice. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.